we have a Hyundai. Let's go take a look. And he's getting a big Skar Audio 15. That's right, VVX version 3. This is this guy right here. It's a big magnet, big speaker. That's a 15. And for power, he's going with this guy right here, the GMD 8601. So, what do we got? Lots of room?
Yes. So we have a frame rail right here.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is make 2 holes, put 2 rivets.
Oh, just make a panel?
Yeah, put a plate there.
Put a leg here so there's balance?
Yes, yes,
perfect.
Of course.
And then it'll fit right there?
It's gonna fit right there.
Perfect.
All right.
All right. As he said, we have a plan. Time to execute. Alright, the amp is prepped and ready for the car. All Fernando has to do is finish the mounting board. So I'm going to go ahead and set this over to him.
1 and 2. Okay.
So we had to change it up a little bit. Apparently that frame rail was made out of aluminium and it just kept breaking drill bits. So we came up with a second plan. Worked much better. Who knew? I mean, you know.
Wolverine.
That's right. Wolverine.
What we did right now to add a piece ABS in here, make a T and mount it in this frame rail. It's a little bit easy to make the holes. Other than that, it's gonna be mounted right there, so it's not gonna move.
Paul sold him this big box right here, the big Q-bomb Rhino lined 115 box. So we got to go ahead and solder in some wires. Make sure that you tighten up these bolts. Make sure they're nice and tight. They do come loose sometimes. All right, so this guy's all set. Let's get it put back in the box. All right, so the woofer's done and in the box, ready to go. So I think I want to mount the fuse holder right about there. So I'm going to attach it here and have it come up with a plate and then reattach the bolt. That way I can run the wire up along here and into the fuse holder. So this is the bolt we want to attach to here, either here or here, whichever one we can get to. So we're going to have to come out of the fuse holder and up through this area here. We just don't want to come across the battery like that. We want to come around it. Alright, this one is done. Another one in the books. On to the next one.